Hi thinkers, welcome to the microprocessor playlist on ThinkX Academy. In this tutorial we are going to study about the register indirect addressing. So in this playlist we have already discussed some different type of addressing modes which is basically required to address the memory. So let's study all the important points in the register indirect addressing. So the first point is that this type of addressing allows the data to be addressed at any memory location through an offset address, right? So we will be able to address the data at any memory location using the offset address, and that offset address is stored in these registers, in one of these registers. So BP register, BX, DI and SI. We have already briefly studied about these registers and their purposes in the very starting of this playlist, right? So let's take an example of an instruction which is here, and let's study what is this register indirect addressing. Now we will study the move instruction, right? So this is a move instruction which is basically used to move the contents from the source to the destination. So here you can see we have the AX register and here we have the offset address, which you can see these square brackets, these represent the offset address, that this is the offset address or the memory address, right? So when we use these square brackets, we mean that it is a offset address. Now let's suppose we have the BX register and let's suppose 1000 hexadecimal is stored inside this register, which is the BX register. So the content of the BX registers is 1000H. We are supposing this, and this instruction, when we will execute this instruction, which is the move instruction, what will happen is this will be replaced by 1000H, which is the contents of the BX register. And then, so if you will write these square brackets, it means that the offset address of 1000H, right? And the data segment is basically used when we are using the BX register, DI register or the SI register to address the memory, right? So 1000H represents the offset address in the data segment. So it will fetch the data in the data segment at this offset address, which is 1000H, and it will transfer that data to the AX register. So instead of providing BX, which is the register which contains the offset address, if we will directly provide this 1000H, it is known as direct addressing, which we have already studied in the previous tutorial. Now if we will try to add to the BP register, right? So instead of BX or DI or SI, if we are trying to use the BP register to address the memory, the stack segment is used. So then we are going to use the stack segment, and then this address 1000H is the offset address of the stack segment. Now in this same instruction, I'm going to just write the same instruction here, move AX comma. Now instead of BX, let's suppose I want to provide some index also, right? So let's provide an index DI here. So this index will have some value, let's say 10H or 20H, something like that. Now BX is known as the base register, right? So this is the base register and we are adding the index to this base register, so that now totally we will get some address, an offset address, and whatever the data is stored at this BX plus DI address, we are going to transfer that to the AX register. This type of addressing is known as base plus index addressing, right? So this is base plus index addressing. Now if you This instruction is the register indirect addressing. Now if you try to add, now I'm going to again modify this instruction here, move AX comma, now I will write BX plus DI, and let's say I want to add some displacement here. Let's say 100H is the displacement that I'm going to add here. So this type of addressing is known as base relative plus index, right? So this type of addressing is base relative plus index. So we have one more type of addressing, which is register relative indexing, right? So one more variant is this one, move AX comma, and now I'm going to write instead of the DI, I'm just going to write, let's say 50H. Now this type of addressing is known as register relative addressing. This is known as register relative addressing. So in this tutorial we have covered these different types of addressing modes, and basically in the register relative addressing, the data in the segment of memory, they are just addressed by adding the displacement, right? So this is the displacement, which can be 50H or 100H or anything, and this will be added to the contents of the base or an index register, right? So it can be BX, DI or SI. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.